Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Julia, and today I'm going to show you my Killstar haul, so let's get started. So today's haul includes a lot of homeware, so I'm excited to show you guys all of that. I've been wanting more Gothic kitchenware, and of course Killstar is the perfect place to pick some up. This box was super heavy from all the glass pieces I bought though, so thankfully my boyfriend lifted it up for me, so definitely be mindful of that when purchasing, because I bought so much all at once. These are all pieces of their collection that they call Haunted Homeware. I could not wait to get these in the mail. I'm completely new to buying their kitchenware, so I couldn't wait to see what was in store for me. So let's start off with the packaging. As you can see, everything is packaged individually with a lot of foam in their own little black boxes. So everything is packaged carefully. The first thing I got are some of these absolutely adorable black cat plates. The design is way too cute, the moon and star patterns on the cats, and you can see it all over the plates that there are pentagrams, fish bones, and crystals. Perfect for a Gothic kitchen. These are actually pretty heavy, so the quality seems incredible. The plate isn't completely flat. It does curve up on the edges, which is definitely a preferred design for me, so any food like slightly liquidy or anything won't fall right off the plate. I bought a whole set of 8 of these. I got a really good deal on these, so I couldn't help myself. Sometimes Killstar has incredible sales that you just can't pass up. These actually came out cheaper than these Hello Kitty plates I was buying at places like TJ Maxx, which is already like a sales store, so you know the deal was really good. I'm just really happy I got a whole matching set of these. The next thing I got are these super cute cat cookie cutters. These are perfect to make the cutest sugar cookies for friends. The designs are a witch cat riding on a broomstick, a ghost cat, which I love because of course our cat is named Boo, so I always think of her with ghost cats, and another witch cat that's just the head with a witch hat and a moon on its forehead. The back reads that you can use these for both edible or non-edible items, but I personally bought these so I can start making cute sugar cookies again. I also snagged some of these giant owl air fresheners for the car because, oh my gosh, they were so cheap. The owl design is too cute, the moon on its forehead and pentagram on his belly. Can you believe these were literally only 30 cents? They smell really good too. I didn't know how to describe the scent, but my boyfriend said it's black ice, so if you've smelled that before, you know you'll like these. I couldn't resist buying a Gothic beach towel. It's a black heart that says beach goth on it. I always use black heart emojis, so I love everything with black hearts. They made it look like a Ouija board design, which was a really cute touch for this as well. I can't wait to go to the beach with this towel. I love it so much. This is definitely the best one I've bought online. It's so fun and cute and will look perfect with my aesthetic. Also, the tags go with the Ouija board theme, so I just had to show it. I love the attention to detail. I always look at how they design their tags because some of them are just really pretty. I know some people actually collect them too because they just look really cool. The next thing I got is this really cute black cat pen with purple detailing. I gave this one to my mom because it's so cute and she loves journaling. She's obsessed with cats and she actually really liked this pen when she saw it, so I just had to give it to her. So the cat has a purple collar with a pentagram. I love the detailing on the eyes in particular. Such big cute eyes and then a little moon on the forehead. You can see the little feet at the end and there's a little tail in the back too. This next thing I ordered is one of my all-time favorites. It's a really cute pastel pink choker that includes 2 straps, some embellishments, and a large pentagram. The large pentagram is what made me purchase this so fast. I got it for a really good deal during one of their sales too. I'm always on the lookout for a good sale, so always look out for that too. And of course you can adjust this to your liking so it fits really nice. There are a lot of chokers that are too big on me, so I love that this one has a lot of holes on the end to adjust to a smaller size if I need to. You can see how big the pentagram looks when I put this on, which I absolutely love. It is such a fun piece. I love jewelry that has more drama to it, like this pentagram. Here's the outfit I put together for the choker, which is an all pink and black look. Went out for a date this day with a more casual look since it was a nice casual stroll at the park to feed the ducks, and a closer look which I also paired with my pink duck earrings. Here's another haunted homeware piece that I got. The cutest little black bunny vase. He has sparkly eyes and a giant moon right on his forehead. His nose is a little heart shape, which I will show better. He also has a big pentagram on his adorable little belly that sticks out. I personally really love his ears that stick up. He also has a little tail in the back. This is such a nice piece to put on the counter with little roses. The size of the vase makes it so you can't put large roses in it though, but you can put little mini roses instead. I put in these mini roses that my boyfriend got me that I later dried so I can always have them. The dried roses are a really nice touch with the vase as it gives it more of a Gothic look. I will say I was hoping to find a larger vase on their website, but I'll probably have to get a larger size somewhere else. Other than that, the vase is really nice, heavy, and great quality. The design is too cute and looks perfect with all the other haunted homeware. The next haunted homeware piece I got is this teapot. Now you can see all their stuff is carefully packaged. The amount of care they put in it is truly amazing, but I don't expect any less from a brand like Killstar. This teapot matches the vase with some of the black bunny design that expresses the same angry emotion. You can see his big sparkly eyes better with the giant moon on his forehead, along with his cute little heart nose and scar displayed on his cheek. They made sure to also include the ears that stick up towards the top of the teapot and still has his tail right in the back. This is a standard size from what I've seen in stores, so sizing is perfect. I really love this design and find these pieces to look very unique. If you're looking for good quality and unique homeware pieces, I'd definitely be looking at this brand for sure. I can't wait to get more pieces in the future. The next thing I got is this pastel pink skirt with straps that hang down. As you can see here, they wrap all the hardware pieces to keep it safe while shipping. That way nothing will get caught or anything will get ruined. So for this, the straps come wrapped up separately, so you do need to attach them on yourself, but it's not difficult at all. I ordered my usual size in this skirt and didn't have any issues at all. The fit was perfect. There is a zipper that goes down the middle of the entire skirt so you can easily zip yourself in. The zipper is topped with a little pentagram pendant, which is a cute little touch. There are zippers at the top that look like little pockets, but it's just an illusion. The zippers are just decoration. I can't complain though because I think if the pockets were real it would look really odd to put something in them anyway, so that's fine. I won't complain too because I also got this skirt for only $10. It was during one of their amazing sales, so it was an incredible steal. The price is seriously incredible for the good quality that it is. Since their sale was so good on their website during this time, I did also get this skirt in a nice pastel purple. These are cute for any pastel goth look. Again, I did order this in my regular size and it fit perfectly. You can see that these skirts are high-waisted and they have a nice snug fit at the top. It's short, but it still covers everything nicely, and you can always pair this with some kind of leggings underneath if you'd like to cover more. I personally like to pair these with fishnets, and of course, a tall pair of platforms. I think both pastel colors are really pretty, and they hit the mark with a great shade. If there's more of these, I would definitely snag them while you can. The next thing I got is this long pastel pink maxi dress with barbed wire print all over it. You can see 2 slits towards the end of the dress. This dress is very plain, so I do plan to wear a waist cincher with it and really pretty platform heels. The top is a simple rounded neck with thick straps. This one is very comfy and soft, but remember, for this one you'll need a slip since it's completely see-through. I already had a black slip, so I put mine underneath. My slip is extremely comfortable, so it also matters where you get it. I actually did buy mine a while back from Dillard's, and it doesn't move up on me like some slips do that are built in other dresses. So anyway, you can see this dress is tight-fitted, and the slits at the bottom are a really nice detail for it. Overall, I admit it's a little boring, so I will need to really pair it up with the right accessories. I won't complain though, because I was able to snag this dress for only $3. Yes, $3. I was shocked. It was nice to try it out for so cheap, and it's still very cute. Just a little plain for my taste, but of course, I always like pairing my stuff anyway with a lot of accessories. So that's the end of that. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. Let me know what your favorite piece was in the comments below, and if you've tried this brand before, let me know what you think of their clothing or homeware personally. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified once I post a new video. Thank you all so much and have a beautiful day.